Hello friends, welcome to Zero Fear Academy. Today we are going to discuss about noun. What is noun we will study in this session. First of all, noun is the name of a person, place or thing. It's very simple. Noun is always a name. Let it be of any place, animal, thing or idea, anything. An example, if we take person means a teacher is a person, Rahul is a person, doctor is a person. If you will think about place, school is a place, Delhi is a place, park is a place. Animal, dog, lion, elephant, tiger, whatever you know, everything is noun. If you see anything, that is also a noun. Book, pen, table, your mobile phone, your cell phone, your laptops, everything it is noun. Now we come to definition of the noun, that the noun is a naming word. Okay. Anything we can see, we can feel, we just use to name it, and that name is noun. Now we come to types of nouns. The first type is proper noun. I already told that noun is a naming word, but if that noun is a special name of particular person, particular place or particular thing, then it always begin with a capital letter, magical tip. Any name जो particular in existence, that's just for example Rahul is a name of a person, it is a particular name. If I tell Rahul, you will definitely, your mind will drag to someone that's named Rahul. India is a great country. Monday, it's the name of a day, the Taj Mahal. So all the names of a particular place, name or thing is noun. Now we will discuss common noun. Common noun is a general name of a person, place, thing. For example, boy, city, teacher, river. These are the persons. Okay? They are common nouns. For example, the boy is playing. But if we tell that Rahul is playing, then that boy becomes Rahul. Then that is become proper noun because the name has been taken properly. Now we will discuss collective noun. When we will discuss about group of people, group of animals, yeah, group of things, any group, if you enumerate, then we will tell this is the collective noun. For example, Indian team, class, bunch, flock, these all are collective nouns. Now the material noun. A material noun names the substances from which things are made. For example, gold, wood, cotton, and iron. Material noun basically discuss about the materials. Okay. It is also name of thing, but it is categorized in material noun. Now we will table out abstract noun. And abstract noun names a feeling, quality, state, or idea that cannot be seen or touched. It is also a name of a feeling, but we can't touch it. We just need to feel it. For example, honesty. Honesty is also a noun. You can't see the honesty. You need to feel it. That's why honesty is an abstract noun. We will also divide noun into two categories also. For example, that is countable noun and uncountable nouns. So simple as the word define, countable nouns matlab that can be counted. One book, two books, an apple, three apples. Uncountable noun which can't be counted separately. If I will discuss about water, milk, sugar, rice, you can't calculate it. There is one more division that you can divide the noun. There's a singular noun and plural noun. Okay, you already aware. One person, thing, animal, or place, it is singular noun. Plural noun refers more than one. It's simple. Now we can tell about gender of nouns. There are four genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. We will discuss in the next video. Thanks. If you understand anything about nouns and types of noun, then kindly subscribe this video and watch this channel regularly. Thank you.